BETAGInnovations Magic Wand Set. It comes with the unit, the 3-meter long cable, the extension, and the M tool head. The M tool head has a concentrated pulling area. It is ideal for small hail dents. With the extension, it is ideal to work on a roof panel. The Magic Wand set is focusing on hail damage repair. Small hail dents can be removed without having to remove the headliner. Here the dents are being pulled up one at a time. The dent gets pulled up. The overpulled dents can be knocked down with the carbon hammers. Being able to work from a distance makes it easier to repair the dents and to achieve a higher quality finish. If the center of the dent still remains, the dent is opened, up and pulled again. On top panels, it is always important to work from two directions. Here you can see on how the tool works on the roof rail. The lows can be pulled up. Again, being able to work from a distance allows a better finish and improves the blending process. The deeper dents are first pulled with the glue system, and the finish is done with the Magic Wand. If the dents are large, you start to pull from the side and move to the center. With small dents, you can go directly to the center. A couple of beeps per dents is all that is needed. The Magic Wand is used together with the levers and glue system depending on the type and size of damage. With larger dents, the center is pushed up first with the levers and the area can be smoothened out with the Magic Wand. In general, it improves the quality and reduces the repair time by more than 30%. It is a great finishing tool.